Welcome to GDS Online Maths. Alright, so let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so we have square root of x times root x times root x plus root x. Now, first of all, let's understand that square root of a times square root of a give us square root of a all squared, and it will cancel, it will be a. So with x times with x will simply be x here. I won't waste time. So we have x here times with x plus with x equals to 10. Okay. Now let's observe this one word. We have square root of x in common. So let's take it out. Square root of x, comma, I will with x here plus 1 equals to 10. Okay, so let's divide both sides by square root of x. So this one will go. We have x plus 1 equals 10 on x. So let's square both sides. Okay, we have x squared, okay, plus 2x plus 1 equals to, so 10 squared, 100. So x, square root of x all squared is x. So let's make this side over 1. So x times x squared, x cubed times 2x squared times x equals 100. Okay, so we have x cubed plus 2x squared plus x minus 100 equal to 0. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's record this one. Okay, now if f of a equal to 0, okay, x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. If f of minus a equals to 0, x plus a is a factor. Okay, you plug in 4 cubed plus 2 times 4 squared plus 4 minus 100 will give you 0. So this side is 100 minus 100. It means f of 4 equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 is a factor. Okay, so once x minus 4 is a factor, we are going to divide this one by the factor. Okay, so we have x cubed 2x squared plus x minus 100. So we have x minus 4. Let's confirm. Good, x minus 4. So let's start. X into x cubed is x squared. X squared times x cubed minus 4x squared. So let's subtract. This one will go. So we have 2 minus plus. We have 6 x squared plus x minus 100. X in this will be plus 6x. So we have 6x squared minus 6 for 24 x. So we have this minus, that's 0. x minus minus plus, we have 25 x minus 100. X in this is plus 25. 25 x minus 100. So this side will be 0. Therefore, we have the first factor x minus 4 multiplying the result x squared plus 6x plus 25 equals to 0. So the first answer is x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x equals to 4. So let's look at the second one, x squared 6x 25. Okay, so let's solve this one. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula. So we have a equals to 1, b 6, c is 25. So we have x minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have minus 6 plus or minus. Okay, so we have 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 25. Going back to 12. 2 times 1. So we have x minus 6 plus or minus. So we have 36 minus 100 on 2. Okay, so we have x minus 6 plus or minus. So we have minus 64. Okay, on 2. So we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus. So this side will be square root of 64 times square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is I from complex numbers. So over 2. So we have x equals to minus 6 plus or minus. So we have 8I on 2. The same as minus 3 plus or minus 4I. So this one is complex, so rejected. Okay, so let's focus on the real solution. That is x equals to 4. Alright, so x equals to 4. Let's plug in and see if we get the solution. So let's test, let's verify. So we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So this side will be 4 times 4, 4. Square root of 4 times that of 4. Okay. And this side will be 2 plus 2. So we have 4 times 2 plus 2. Okay. So we have 4 to 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, that's that.